Hello friends, so in this section we will see that how we can share our AMIs across the regions and we will see how we can share EC2 instance migration between AZs, different AZs. So suppose this is the picture, how we can share our EC2 instance migration, how we can do that. So suppose this is our EC2 instance and we have created an AMI, then we can launch another instance from that AMI in different region. We can change the subnet of that AMI. Okay. Next is cross account AMI sharing. What is this? You can share an AMI with another AWS account, that is allowed to you. Sharing an AMI does not affect your ownership of the AMI. It doesn't affect that AMI will be yours only. You will be just sharing it to another target account. You can only share AMIs that have unencrypted volumes. If that is encrypted, then what you have to do, you have to suppose you have to give him that decryption key also. Okay. Next is if you share an AMI with encrypted volumes, you must also share any customer managed keys to use to encrypt them, so that that target, that person who is accessing your AMI, he or she can decrypt that. Okay. Next, this is the picture that how you can share account from account A to account B, and that's it. Next is AMI sharing with KMS encryption. So how actually this is the so this is the picture depicting how this is done. Suppose source is sharing an AMI to target. So here, if it is in US East 1 and other target is also in USD East 1, that is not necessary. Actually, you can change that region. No worries. Now what? Suppose you have a custom AMI, you have created an AMI and then you are sharing it. That is encrypted with your CMKA. Then what? You will be sharing CMKA2 to the target so that they can decrypt that. You will be sharing all the things, and then they will decrypt it, and then they will use it. Okay. Cross account AMI copy. If you copy an AMI that has been shared with your account, you are the owner of the target AMI in your account. What is this now? So suppose if someone is just sharing his or her AMI to me, and now what I am doing, I am just copying that AMI. I'm just making a copy of that AMI. So now I'll be the owner of this copy, not the actual shared AMI. But I will be the owner of this copied AMI. Okay, just visualize it, and we'll see it in a moment. The owner of the source AMI must grant you read permissions for the storage that backs the AMI. So if you will have the read permission, then only you can copy that, and then only you can decrypt that actually. If the shared AMI has encrypted snapshots, the owner must share the keys with you as well. You can encrypt the AMI with your CMK while copying. Okay. Suppose this is the thing, and let us see. If source has shared an AMI with you, custom AMI with you, he has also shared CMKA to you. Okay, then what are you doing? You are decrypting that using CMKA and then encrypting it using CMKB. And this is your copy actually. Okay, this target is your copy actually. You have copied that AMI and now you will be encrypting it using your own CMK. So this is what one can do. One can copy the instance or AMI using copy. Okay, so this was copy with AMS encryption. Let's see the hands-on now. It is a short and simple hands-on actually. So let us see that I have created an instance here. It is running, and here in images part, I have also created I have also created image of that instance. So what I can do, I can just select it, and in the permission setting, I can go and edit AMI's permission. Okay. Other thing, what I can do, I can just right click it onto this AMI, and then I can edit AMI permissions. In this AMI permissions, suppose if you have your unencrypted AMI, then what you can do, you can share it publicly. Like you can share it to the whole AWS marketplace, and then anyone can use it. So be just be aware of that. Now, next, what you can also share privately to a specific AWS account, into an individual or to an organization or OU. Okay. So while sharing someone, like you want to share an individual, what you have to do, you have to enter here in shared accounts, you have to enter his or her account ID, and then it will be shared to him. For that, basically, you will have to click this one also, this create volume permission. so that he or she can might access your AMIs perfectly. And here in shared organization also, if you want to share your AMI with the whole organization, then what you can do, you can add organization info from here, and then you can save these changes. Your AMI, your customized AMI will directly be shared to that organization OU or to that individual. So that's it for this lecture. I hope this was much okay to you and this was much clear to you. Let's meet in our next lecture. Thank you.